G'day, welcome to another episode of Country Life on the Coast. So today we've got a slightly different episode. Our fridge freezer is not working as well as it normally would, so we're going to have a look at that today. We've noticed this morning that it just didn't seem as cold as it was, and we sort of monitored it during the day, and it's coolish but not cold. We've pulled most of the stuff out of the freezer. We'll pull the ice out, get rid of that, pull all these and start digging in the back, and turn the power off too shortly. Okay, so we've got all the shelves out. First thing we need to do is try and get access to the back panel and see if that's all frozen. So I think okay. I'm missing something, obviously. Okay. So, as simple as it was, but just a couple of clips holding it on. And just wouldn't let go. Anyway, we got it. Okay, because inside the freezer looked okay. I'm going to just remove this panel first and just have a look and see whether the main board that's in here is okay. So I will just grab the right spanner to undo these. Should have highlighted it before, but I have turned the power off to the whole fridge freezer. Don't want to do any of this without doing that first. There's nothing obvious that screams, yep, I've blown up. I might pull this off because I know I've had a problem with it once before. I might pull this board out and we'll have a look. Yep, it's that one again. burnt to a smithereen. So I've had to replace this D4 or something once before. Another one up there is burnt too. Alright, we'll definitely take this off and have a look. So if you can see, there's some black here and a lot more black there that I would like. So I might try and remove that, unsolder it, and I might resolder this in case this is a dry joint. And then we'll see. The backup plan, I suppose, is to buy another one of these, and I might have a look at how expensive they are. But everything else on it looks okay. So I will see if I can also find other ones, because previously I had to replace this and I just bought them online. I couldn't get them locally anywhere and I couldn't just buy one, so I bought a pack of 10 for, I don't know, 50 cents or something like that. So the fun part's going to be trying to find wherever they are. Anyway, I'll see if I can find them first, and then if I can, we'll grab the soldering iron and have a bit of a play with it and see if we can do something with it. G'day guys, so last time we left you, we were working on the fridge and trying to work out what was wrong. So we were looking at the control board and how burnt it was, and in the end we've actually ordered a new one. And so it's been almost a week. Today we got mail. So we're going to open this up. Hopefully it's exactly what we ordered, put it in the fridge, and hopefully everything works again. So let's dig into this and yeah, put this back together. Couple more features on the new one, but that's okay. Alright. I think we're going to have to... Alright, we'll check that before we do anything. We might have to swap these earth cables around the other way, depending on where that's going to attach. Alright, we'll go to the back of the fridge and insert this. So this is the back of the fridge, and this is where the panel goes, or where the control board goes, and normally that earth will sit up there, so I think we might be okay. Let's just do a little test. No, we aren't. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll try and swap that over. Short circuit again. Oh no. Okay, maybe we have to... I'm not sure what their design was for. I'll grab the other board and see if we can swap it over with what was on the old one. So this is the old board, and when it goes in there, it connects up there. So what I might do is just unplug these two, and then I can use that earth on the old one, sorry, on the new board, but we'll use the old earth cable. Okay, now it's just a case of plugging everything back in. Might do. Put this up here. That will go up there, like so. That will go onto there, like so. And voila. And we'll connect the earth. Alright. Guess we'll just sit up there. Alright. Time to turn it on. You can hear it working. There's a light on the front. It's always a good sign. The fans are working. The numbers up there are working again. That's a really good sign. There we go, guys. The fridge has been running for a few hours now. It's all buttoned back up. All seems to be working well, so we're done. That's all we've got time for in this episode. Catch you next time. God bless.